Hi, darling. I'm Charlotte. You must be Elsa.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Elsa, darling, tell me about your beauty inspirations or what look you like to achieve today.
I really like Twiggy look, you know, like this.
Fantastic. You have that very 60s gamine kind of look. So, darling, let's go and get started. I can't wait to put some makeup on you. So, darling Elsa, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and then I'm going to take a blender brush and I'm just going to brush this all over the lid. It will give it that kind of juxtaposition, that kind of definition between the arch. So now I'm going to take these two colours and I'm going to take this smaller brush because Twiggy used to always have this very exaggerated arch here that went all the way down, almost like a half circle, and that's going to give you the doe eye effect. And then what we just need to do is take your brush and follow the socket all the way down. So when you're doing this, it's really important to look in the mirror. So if you've got heavy eyelids like me, then you'll look in the mirror and you'll feel where the bone is. Even though Elsa's natural lid is here, I've cheated it to here. So I've gone from here to here, and I've gone where the natural bone of the socket of the eye is. So almost like your skull, where the socket of the eye ends, where the bone ends, and then you trace this line just around your socket, and that gives you that, cheats the socket to give you the exaggerated eyes, to make them look bigger and brighter. I'm now gonna use the beigey color, the beigey cream color, just set that eyeshadow. I'm going to get my eyelash curlers. So you get your eyelashes and you get them right at the base of the lash, as close as you can go, and then you clamp it and then you hold it back like that, and it really gives them an amazing lift. Now I'm going to take a sharpened eyeliner, and this pencil is kind of like a liquid liner in a pencil. Don't pull your eyes, because that's when you want to do a feline flick or like something that just drags them up. With this, you're trying to just follow your eyeline down. You're elongating this part of your eye and you're elongating this part of your eye. So you're adding length here and here, which then exaggerates the length of the eye. And that really, already you can tell, that's exaggerating the eyes and making the eyes just look bigger. Now, I'm gonna take a pointed cotton bud and dip it in the glue, and then I'm just going to stroke it along the lash. And then blow it a bit, bring it in, twist it in, so that it twists to the shape of your eye. Hold it on like that. Wait for the glue to dry before you put any mascara on. Now we're gonna take my Legendary Lashes mascara. So I'm gonna take the edge of this where there's lots of mascara, and then we just paint it really like that. Almost like you're painting each individual lash. Twiggy have very natural brows, so I'm not doing really strong. I just think the focus is, even if you have blonde eyebrows, leave them and put all the focus on the eyes. When you're applying freckles, it's always this pretty part here. Now I'm going to use a lip liner, which is a gorgeous lip liner of mine called Foxy Brown, and this colour mimics the colour of freckles. And I'm going to lightly dab it. If you go a little bit hard, like that, then you just take your finger and blend it in. So a couple of tricks I'm going to show you. I've just done finishing the freckles on the skin. I'm going to take a little bit of magic cream and I'm just going to put that on top of the cheekbones, because that just gives a kind of realness, a freshness. And another trick that I always do is, this is Pillow Talk lipstick, and it naturally mimics the colour of your lips. And I'm just going to dab that. If you have any left over on your finger, you can just dab a bit onto the cheeks like that. Elsa, darling, I want to show you this finished look. You look gorgeous.
Yeah, I love everything.
Thank you, Elsa, for being this gorgeous model. I think it's so fresh and divine. Darlings, thank you for watching. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to Vogue.